Ndwa na la lela. The 3rd of May was a banger of a day. 2 major events on the same day in one country. Uthanda kanjani? Ngithi Mzansi was on fire, ngithi ngapha nangapha. If you wanted a formal event, you could go to the Metro FM Awards. If you wanted a casual but banger of an event, then you went to the Durban Music Festival. Event lovers was served. So let's start off with the event that took place at the Moses Mabhida Stadium. Ngithi honey, hello. You can tell nje from the crowd that this event was lit. Ngithi cover the lights, cover the stage, cover the performances. Uyazibonela nje nawe ukuthi this event was on fire. Ngithi MC of the day, hayi-ke, he drove the crowd absolutely crazy, absolutely mad. Take a look and listen to this. Now this was a perfect choice for an MC. Somizi Mhlongo really has a magic touch when it comes to rocking the crowd. And then he went backstage to collect his 2 other co-hosts. Take a look at this.
All right. Now, the big moment has arrived. All right. So, I'm going to ask you, I'm not going to introduce the big moment, but the big moment is going to be introduced by the big moment. All I ask of you is to switch your phones on, switch the lights off. I am bringing the gifts for you. Switch your phones on. I will bring the gifts for you until all the phones are on. Sir, switch off the lights. Switch off the lights. Switch on your phones. I give you us and sweet Tuluva.
Khuluma iqiniso Somizi uyahlatsana shem. He is talented in so many ways. Mina, this is the fact for me that rocked me the most out of this whole event. 5,000 rands down. Akanavalo somkaka.
Oh, hey! All right. Nimnandi. Ngicela ukunixoxela indaba engeza. Ave besilisa utshwala emuva Nkosi yami. Ngoba ngena abazali. Kodwa Nkosi yami ayikho into engicasula njengale fence. Ngoba ngizifuna lapho mina. Gize. Hey ngizifuna kini khona manje ngizifuna lapho. Ngicela utshwala bandla. Nkosi yami. Inkonkone ehluphekile Nkosi yami. Uphuzani yile owazatana lethi. Uyisilethi utshwala dala. uNkulunkulu akusise. Imagangan. Yes, Togo is an epic, is an epic. 5,000 rand wako time.
Ndona yami ngithi even the state
Rose!
were part of this festival.
Ross!
With Rick Ross as a
Go,
feature.
Ricky!
I'm excited about Durban. The Durban Music Fest. Damn, that sold out. Ricky Rose finna go hard. Finna go crazy. Y'all better go get those last tickets. Y'all know I got the after party in Durban. So when I come to a beautiful place like Durban, I want to touch the city. Of course, I touch the crowd. That's how you touch the masses.
Rick Ross capitalized on South Africans' love for Chris Brown as the crowd went crazy when he played New Things. I say Maybach music really came hard and got the crowd moving.
Amazing. Who believe in God? Who believe in God? I do. If you believe in God, I want you to put your hands in the sky right now.
So other artists were also performing at the festival. Begunokuzani, Nasty C, Mtandeni, Big Zulus, Java, Mahu, Ukateni, Tira, Numshunisi, DJ Bongs, DJ Socks, many others, many others. So when speaking about the Durban Festival, different content creators will highlight different things. So please don't feel offended if I haven't highlighted the part that you thought was the best at Moses Mabhida. Now moving along to the Metro FM Awards. Now this was a dress-up event. Dress up, look good, and show up.
We are crowning greatness tonight, and right now I'm standing to one of the winners for tonight. Hi, Naledi, how are you?
Hi, this is Ngapila.
How are you feeling right now?
I'm so super excited. I am super excited. Yo,
Is this your first award?
na ngake ngayithola kuma Metro. I mean kuma Basati Music Award. It's my second award. Shiti Manyifiki multi award winning artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's go to more awards tonight.
Sesiphetile manje.
Are you performing?
I'm sesiphetile perform. I'm done with everything.
Oh, that's why we're functioning.
Yeah.
You look amazing, girl. You look amazing, and
Thank you so
congratulations
much.
once again.
Thank you so much.
All right, manje Romeo.
Sebembambile
Okay,
lapha.
all right.
As we are cheat.
Nizwile, guys.
We are cheat.
Nizwile, guys.
Standing next to me, guys. Wow, what a man. Laduma, how are you?
Good, ma'am, and you?
I'm great, man. You have an award in your hand. Metro.
Yes.
What? Can you please tell us what the award is? What does it mean to you? Icon of the year.
I heard about it yesterday. It's Global Icon of the Year.
Global.
I am not a musician. Disclaimer, I'm a huge fanatic of music. A piano, Afrotech, you name
Yeah.
hip hop. But I never for a second thought that I would be brought here.
Yes. For Metro. No, man, you fully deserve it. A designer, amazing work that you
Thank
do.
you.
Would you like to say anybody that wants to be a fashion designer?
Anyone that wants to be a fashion designer know very well that the fashion business is huge. It's a $2 trillion industry, and Africa only has a 1% cut in it.
Damn.
Africa only makes 36 billion rand out of the industry.
Damn.
There's a lot of pieces to eat from it. You don't have to be a fashion designer. I'm not a fashion designer. I consider myself beyond that.
Yes, definitely.
I consider myself as a fashion business entrepreneur.
Definitely.
There's production, there's marketing, there's accounting, there's logistics, there's a lot of things that go into fashion. Design is just 1% of it.
Yo, MT the Hustler here. I'd like to send a shout out to everyone who's been supporting me. Thank you for always allowing me to share my talent and skills with y'all. I just won the award for Best Produced Album, and it's all thanks to the supporters. And for that, I say thank you. There's more to come from MT the Hustler. it's just the beginning of greater things to come. So thank you.
Sources Slowly also won 2 awards for Best Gospel Album as well as for the Best Female Artist. Unfortunately, I couldn't play her audio for you guys because of the background music. Now, Dwanas, I'm going to be a little bit unfair on this one as my video has already exceeded 10 minutes and I can only do videos that go up to 15 minutes for now until I get to my 1,000 subscribers. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to cut this portion of the Metro FM Awards a little bit short. Now, taking things back for a moment, I have to play this for you. I'm extremely happy for this hustler, and I can't just let this moment pass by. Let me share. So the metros were just as lit, the atmosphere was correct. Let me run you through a few other winners. Unfortunately, some of them were not there to receive their awards. So obviously there were some artists that were performing there. The lighting was perfect. Stage was on point. Donna, please don't forget to subscribe. Help a sister's channel grow. Do comment and react so that the video can be distributed to more people.